I hope you are doing a great today. My name is Rika Wahyu Saputri and I am delighted to welcome you to this mathematics learning session. Today we will learn about the volume of three-dimensional shape in a fun and meaningful way by connecting mathematics with SDG 2, Zero Hunger.
Have you ever wondered how people in the past store rice ever harvesting? In Indonesia, there is a traditional rice storage building called Liwit. Besides being an important part of our cultural heritage, Liwit also provides a perfect example for learning how to calculate the volume of three-dimensional shape. By the end of this lesson, you will not only understand how to calculate volume but also appreciate how mathematics can help support sustainable food storage and food security. Before we begin our lesson, let's get to know liwit. A liwit is a traditional Indonesian rice barn that has been used for generations to store harvest rice safely. It is built on wooden pillars to protect the rice from moisture, insects, and rodents. This simple but effective design helps perfect food for future use. The liquid is more than just a storage building. It represents wisdom, sustainable, and food security in Indonesian culture. That is why it is closely read SDGs 2 Zero Hunger, which promote sustainable agriculture and safe food storage. In this lesson, we will use the shape of liquid to learn how to calculate the volume of three-dimensional shape and discover how mathematics can help us solve the. Have a closer look at the liquid. The storage section of the liquid has the shape of a rectangular prism, while its proof can be represented by a right rectangular prism with a triangular cross section, depending on the traditional design. Now, let's observe the shape of liquid more carefully. Although its liquid is a traditional rice barn, we can model its structure using mathematical shape. The main body of the liquid has a shape similar to a rectangular prism, while its roof resembles a rectangular pyramid. The rectangular prism forms the main storage space where the harvest rice is kept. To determine how much rice the liquid can store, we calculate the volume of the rectangular prism using the formula fill volume equal length times width times height. Let's give it a try.
understanding of how to calculate the volume of three-dimensional shape by using a real-life example from Indonesian culture. Remember, mathematics is everywhere. It helps us understand the world around us and contribute to building a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.